Nice bit of artwork. Surprised that hasn't been stolen. It's sold for scrap. Back over this area again because there's a lot I couldn't get round last time, and then I got the puncher. It was actually a pinch flat. So I had two like 5mm slices either side. I couldn't repair it with the patches obviously, so I had to get out a new inner tube, take the wheel off, and I was just so hacked off. It was hot, I got bothered, and I just didn't turn my camera back on. Gonna get another pinch flat. Hi. Hi. It sounds worse than it is. It's actually my metal bit on the back jangling around. Oh. Thank you. Okay. Again, it's about to be a really hot day, so I thought I'd better get out here early. I've also put on another back tyre. My other one was getting slightly worn. Well, I say slightly worn, it was pretty much no tread in the middle. And I had this one kicking around, and after all that I just thought I'm just going to change the tyre quickly before I cable tie the wires back up. And I did. Right, so somewhere, this is it. That must be the way I want to go. I'm sure it's been change of use for cycles, but you know, some of these new cycle paths that they've changed of use, you still can't get through them. They're all like gates like this. Great, I think I've got dog poop on my rear tyre. Morning.
Morning.
Hello, boy. You want to run? What, a leg missing. Hi, I'm just going to pass. Cheers. Cheers. see me getting lost down here. Too many trails. And I've sort of lost my bearings. I can't think which direction anything is. And all a bit confusing. Maybe we should just go back out this way. I'm getting severely lost. Another track. Just keep finding these tracks everywhere in this area. This one looks like it's definitely had a lot of work, hasn't it? A fresh burn. It's just becoming the norm now. There's loads of tracks here. Not going through that. I'm going to have to go back exactly the way I came because I'm seriously disorientated. What the hell's that big road? Let's have a bit more of a look and whip it down. Whoa! Nice. We'll launch it off there into there. Nice. What is this? Some sort of shark fin? Does that look safe? Snap. The thing about this is it's not too serious. Not like some of the jumps I've come across. Oh my god, where am I going? I'm starting to get lost. Oh my god, where am I ending up? What is that? What's this junction down here? This crossroad. I might be able to go a different way. Please be something I sort of recognise. Not yet. This way. Stonesfield. Oh, that's it. For a second I thought it said 7 miles. Oh, there's a nice bridge over there. I suppose it's not public. That's why we prefer electric. Got here then. Look at this dude. That's alright, I sort of know where I am now. That's so refreshing in the shade. Ooh, make the most of this. Can you hear all that banging? I'm just going past the shooting club and they're firing off a lot of ammunition. This is actually really a nice smooth road. Oh, an aeroplane. Enstone Aerodrome. What's this way then? There's no through road. Oh mate, I thought this was a fucking... Oh, that dead end, eh? Oh, very dusty. This is a dead end then. I'm gonna see any get out of that dust. You know, I swear I came here once. There was a racetrack. That could have been it. I reckon it was here, and that was the building. They got some like race car, haven't they? Bringing back memories. It was years ago. I drove a Lamborghini something. Cars don't mean much to me. Obviously I can appreciate what they are, but take a flight. I can see loads of little aeroplanes then.